Did you know that the average American spends over $11,200 a year on car repairs? The shocking part is that up to 60% of these costs are completely avoidable. That's right, many of the things you pay for could have been prevented, but some mechanics won't tell you this. They profit from your ignorance, but I'm here to change that. Today, I'm revealing 15 car maintenance tips that mechanics don't want you to know. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share a simple piece of advice that could extend the life of your car. Mistake number 1. Don't waste money on additives. You've seen them at the auto parts store: engine, transmission, and fuel additives that claim to work wonders. But spending money on these pricey products is essentially the same as buying designer clothes for your dog. Not necessary. Most modern cars already have all the additives they need built right into their systems. In the US, gasoline comes with the required additives by law, and engine oils are formulated with the best chemicals right from the factory, so they last longer. There's no need for extra magic potions. The best thing you can do is follow your manufacturer's oil change schedule and keep the car in good condition. Save your money. Mistake number 2. Resetting the maintenance required light yourself. That dreaded maintenance required light is one of the things that car manufacturers love to use to get you back into the dealership. These alerts typically show up every 15,000 miles, making you think something critical is wrong with your car. But don't stress. Keep up with regular oil changes and maintenance, but don't let this light push you around. Often, it's just a reminder for an oil change. With a simple online search, you can find out how to reset the light for your specific model. This will save you a trip to the dealer and keep more money in your pocket. Mistake number 3. Keep your tires at the right pressure. Did you know that keeping your tires properly inflated can improve your gas mileage by up to 3%? That can mean more road trips and fewer stops at the pump. Most cars need tire pressures between 28 and 36 psi, but to be sure, always check your owner's manual or the sticker inside your door frame. Make it a habit to check your tire pressure at least once a month, and don't forget to rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. Proper tire pressure and rotation will help you get the most out of your tires and save you money in the long run. Mistake number 4. Skip the coolant flush. Mechanics often recommend coolant flushes, but unless your car has specific issues or your manufacturer recommends them, they're usually unnecessary. Just like power steering flushes, they are often a way to get you back into the shop. Most manufacturers don't suggest a coolant flush until you've hit around 100,000 miles. If you're not experiencing any problems, save the money and skip this maintenance task. Mistake number 5. Replace your air filters regularly. A clogged air filter can hurt your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. The good news is that replacing your air filter is an easy task. Just pop the hood, locate the air filter box, unclip it, and swap out the old filter for a new one. It's an inexpensive fix that can keep your car running smoothly. Depending on your driving conditions, you should replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more often if you live in dusty areas. Mistake number 6. Avoid overfilling the gas tank. We've all been there, squeezing the handle a little longer to top off the tank. But overfilling your gas tank can lead to fuel spills and potentially damage your car's vapor recovery system. These vapors are harmful to the environment, and your car doesn't need the extra fuel. When the nozzle clicks off, that's your sign to stop. It's a simple habit that can save you time, money, and avoid unnecessary repairs. Mistake number 7. Use fuel injector cleaner for better performance. If you regularly use low-quality fuel, cleaning your fuel injectors is important to prevent clogs. A dirty injector can hurt your engine's performance and lead to costly repairs down the line. If you're using high-quality fuel, you can clean your injectors every 7,500 to 15,000 miles, but if you drive on lower-grade fuel, consider doing it every 1,000 to 3,000 miles. This simple step can keep your engine running smoothly and improve fuel efficiency. Mistake number 8. Car batteries lose life sitting on the shelf. Car batteries don't last forever. They have a shelf life. Once a battery is filled with acid at the factory, its countdown begins. If you buy a battery that's been sitting around for months, it's already lost some of its capacity. Always check the manufacturing date on the battery and go for one that's been on the shelf for no more than a month. Avoid big box stores where batteries are often stacked like cans of beans, and you never know how long they've been sitting there. Also, keep your battery terminals clean to ensure a longer-lasting battery. Mistake number 9. check your belts and hoses for wear and tear. Belts and hoses may seem like minor components of your car, but they play a huge role in your vehicle's performance. Serpentine belts are usually at the front of your engine, and hoses transport vital fluids like coolant and oil. Over time, these parts can develop cracks, leaks, or wear down. Regularly inspecting your belts and hoses for any signs of damage can help prevent major engine issues that can be costly to repair. If you notice anything off, it's time for a replacement. Mistake number 10. Don't overlook brake fluid maintenance. Brake fluid might not get a lot of attention, but it's critical for your safety. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, and this can lead to corrosion, making your brakes less effective. Ensure that your brake fluid is at the right level and replace it every 2 to 3 years. A quick check of your brake fluid now can save you from significant and costly brake repairs down the line. Brake maintenance is essential to your safety and should not be neglected. Mistake number 11. Check the coolant level. If your car's heater isn't working properly or blows cold air when it should be warm, it's usually because the coolant level is low. The heater core needs a certain amount of coolant to produce heat for your car. Without enough coolant, you won't get the heat you need. If your heater isn't working properly, check the coolant level and top it off if necessary. This simple trick has helped many drivers stay warm during cold winter mornings. Mistake number 12. Using low quality or wrong oil. Using the wrong oil in your engine can lead to major damage, reducing your car's efficiency and shortening its lifespan. Every car manufacturer specifies the correct oil type and viscosity in the owner's manual. It's crucial to use the correct oil, as the wrong one can put extra stress on the engine, causing it to wear out faster and lose efficiency. Always check your manual to ensure you're using the recommended oil. Additionally, don't fall for low-quality oils that might seem cheaper but can have adverse effects on your engine. Stick with trusted brands and oils that meet or exceed the manufacturer's specifications. Mistake number 13. Ignoring the cabin air filter. Your cabin air filter is responsible for keeping the air inside your car clean, but it often goes overlooked. A dirty or clogged cabin air filter can reduce airflow into the cabin, making your HVAC system work harder and potentially lowering fuel efficiency. It can also cause poor air quality inside your vehicle, which is especially problematic if you have allergies or respiratory issues. Replacing your cabin air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, depending on your driving conditions, is a quick and inexpensive way to ensure clean air and optimal performance for your HVAC system. Mistake number 14. Not paying attention to tire alignment. Many people don't realize the importance of tire alignment until they experience uneven tire wear. Proper tire alignment is essential for ensuring your car drives straight and doesn't pull to one side. Misaligned tires cause uneven wear, leading to premature tire replacement. They also affect fuel efficiency and can cause your car to be harder to control. To prevent this, have your tires aligned every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or if you notice any steering wheel vibrations, or if your car pulls to one side. Maintaining proper alignment helps save you money on tires and repairs while improving driving safety. Mistake number 15. Overloading your car. It's tempting to load your car with all your gear for a road trip or a big shopping spree, but overloading your car can have serious consequences. When you overload your car, it can cause strain on the suspension system, engine, and tires, leading to faster wear and potential breakdowns. The extra weight can also reduce your fuel efficiency, as the car has to work harder to move.